everybody. In this short video I would like to show you Chrome extension that allows to develop and run Selenium tests right in browser. This project is called Autotester, and one of its advantages is a super easy setup to start writing automation tests. All that we need is just to drag and drop extension into Chrome, and after that we get a special page from which we can run tests. So you don't need Node.js, Java or other Selenium stuff. Everything you need is just Chrome and extension. This is main page to operate, develop and run tests. There is one pre-installed test. I can open it, and we see here the test steps that are written in JavaScript that is compatible with Selenium WebDriver syntax. So we can just press the only button, run, to see how it works. So, as you can see, tests was executed in neighbor tab, and we get a Mocha report showing that everything okay. In this test, we just checked that Google Chrome is working now. So we can change the test steps right here. For example, we can change the title check and rerun test to see that it failed. Okay, so in report we see that there was not title with WebDriver 123. Which way you can create as many tests as you like, delete them or arrange them and run single test or run them all. But actually we have only one test, so running them all does not have sense. Another feature of this project is easy development, because when we have tests executed in neighbor tab, we can easily open Chrome devtools here and check elements, check CSS selectors that we are using in our tests. When the tests are developed here, it's time to run it on another target. And this is the third advantage that I appreciate really, because we can send test commands not in this Chrome, but on any Selenium server, for example, localhost server or even cloud browser providers such as SocialApp or BrowserStack. For start, let's run our test on localhost Selenium server over Firefox browser. I changed the target and rerun test. And you see that Firefox is opening. Yes, it is opened. And Google Chrome is tested, and we have a report here. Actually, Google Chrome browser that launches Firefox browsers looks awesome on my point of view. So that way you can pre-configure as many targets as you like and run tests on these targets. Finally, I would like to show you how these tests can be run on SocialApps. I select Chrome stable on Windows 7 and run it on Socia. Actually, here we see that we got the session from Socia and waiting for test to complete. Okay, it seems to be done, and here we get the watch link that leads directly to SocialApp session dashboard, where we can watch the video with our test, see comments, logs, and other awesome stuff provided by SocialApps. So we see here WebDriver in Google Search Query. Okay, and finally, it should be noticed that you are not limited to writing tests here in browser. We can go to settings and change test source from in-extension snippets to any remote URL, for example, GitHub. And after changing, we see that there are new tests here pulled from GitHub. And these tests can also be run on any target you select. I will run it in this Chrome. Let's do it. So we see that some tests are being executed over Google again, and we are waiting for the report. Okay, we have got report that everything has been passed. This project is now under active development. It is open source and there are many directions to grow. So I would appreciate your feedback or your ideas, how it can be useful for your projects or for your workflow. Thank you very much for your attention and I wish you green tests and bye bye.